Hello, my dear family members. The enthusiasm in my content I'm getting from your side has just blown my mind. Your love is forcing me to upload videos again and again, even though I get tired after my office time. By the way, as many of you are having Cognizant GenC Next, GenC Pro or skill-based assessment within few days, that's why I'm going to discuss an important skill questions which was asked earlier, and this question or this type of questions can be repeated again. So without any ado, let's start. So the question is regarding delivery partner based on rating. So write a query to display partner ID, partner name and review of the delivery partner. Give alias name for partner review as review. Sort the result based on partner ID in ascending order. Note that review is based on the following condition. If rating is greater than equal to 4, then good. If rating between greater than equal to 2 and less than 4, then average. If rating less than 2, then worst, right? So here is the table format, that is customers table, delivery partners, hotel details and order tables are connected with a particular foreign key, but those are not important. We have to deal with only delivery partners, right? So ignore all the tables apart from delivery partners. So here are the columns specified, that is partner ID, partner name, phone number and rating, right? And just note that this is varchar and phone number is big int and rating is integer data type, right? Okay, so just remember the column names. This will be required, right? Okay. So after observing the question, we can easily assume that the answer should contain case and end statement, right? So as we can see here, they have used if and then. That means we have to use if else block, right, or similar. So in case of SQL, we use case end statement, right? Okay, so we'll select the partner ID, partner name and review based on some condition, right? So let's see how to solve the problem. Okay, so for a convenience purpose, I have created this table, right? So partner ID, partner name, phone number and rating. So partner ID given like 1001, 1002, 3, 4 and the names are as follows and phone numbers are these and ratings are as follows, at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay. Okay, now we'll write the query. So at first we have to select the partner ID, and partner name and the review, right? And the review, but the review is based on some condition, right? So this is an alias, right? So what is as review? The conditions are like the syntax should be like this. So at first we have to give a bracket, then case. What is the case? That is when rating is greater than equal to 4, then good, then good. When the rating is greater than equal to 2 and less than 4, then print average, right? average, right? Else worst, right? That means else means if less than 2, right? So we'll print worst. Okay, so I hope this is okay. And at the end we have to use end keyword so that the SQL can understand that we have to end the case statement. Okay, So end the bracket. Okay, and this is as review, right? Okay, so we have selected the partner ID, partner name, and review from which table? Delivery partner, right? Delivery partner. Okay, partners, and we have to sort the result based on partner ID in ascending order, right? So order by the partner id. Okay, okay, let me run it and see if this is right or not. So as you can see, the partner ID is sorted like 101, 2, 3, and 4. So as the table was like for the first ID that was 5, and for the second ID the rating was 3, and for 3 the rating was 2. So this is good, this is average, this is also average, and this is worst, right? According to the condition. So we'll see, that is, this is good, average, average, and worst, right? So the output is as expected, right? So I hope you understood whatever logic and syntaxes I used in SQL. So if you want more such content, and if you want me to upload any other company's content, then please let me know in the comment section. I'll obviously give importance to your comment, right? And don't forget to subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding TCS or Cognizant, so that this will be helpful for your upcoming campus drive, right? So thank you for today's session.